So what we do is that we will be cooking the eggs during this morning, only 2. So we will be putting them inside this bowl. So here it is. Guys, in this breakfast we'll be having the leftover dinner. This is broth meat, and we also have some spaghetti and the porridge. That is what you're going to have. The porridge just boiled and poured in the gas, but I'm going to be cleaning, guys, don't mind about it. Yeah, we also have some milk here. I'll be drinking it after porridge. This is what I eat in the breakfast, not every day, but this is the start of this vlog, guys. Enjoy. So guys, after cooking my porridge, the first thing what you should do is putting it in this thermos. And after putting it, when you put it in the thermos, it will keep it hot, warm the whole day. So the moment that you really need to drink it, you will be able to drink it. Naogopa nini? Nani ataniuliza? Mama niangalia vibaya hivyo. Hi guys, today I'm out. I'm in Parklands doing some errands, so we just decided with this vlog. So as you can see, this is the Aga Khan University Hospital. Yeah. This is a taxi. So guys, came here to buy some. It is a continuation of the vlog. I just cooked some small cakes, half cakes. Also have milk, and I was drinking it with some the chocolate powder. I have some chocolates over there too. I'll be enjoying the chocolate after this. This is the breakfast. That is more milk that is inside that container, so I will eat all of them today.